Guanajuato is a hidden gem of Mexico. It's a university town and UNESCO World Heritage city. It's known for its colorful houses, cobblestone streets, underground labyrinth of tunnels, and its dedication to the arts. Winding alleyways connect colorful houses and historic plazas. Here's some examples of general cost of living. For a budget resident cooking most of their meals and living outside of the town center, you can live for about $1,100 US. Expats with a mid-level budget will spend around $1,460. Digital nomads renting month to month and eating out all meals will spend around $2,300 US. Picture a city carved into the mountains with colorful colonial buildings stacked like a vibrant puzzle. Narrow winding alleys and underground streets that seem straight out of a fairy tale. Guanajuato isn't just a city, it's a living, breathing work of art that will steal your heart from the moment you arrive. The town's architectural beauty stems from its colonial-era silver mining wealth. The mining fortunes from the 18th and 19th centuries enabled Spanish settlers to construct magnificent Baroque and neoclassical buildings that still define the city. Here's what your monthly budget could look like. Rent for a one-bedroom apartment in Centro will start around $600 US. Outside of Centro, the same apartment would be around $400. Utilities, electric, water, and internet, about $80 to $120 US. Groceries, $200 to $300. Dining out, $180 to $300. Health insurance, $100 to $250. Entertainment, $80 to $200 US. The total monthly budget, between $1,040 and $1,770 US. The city is renowned for its vibrant and captivating murals that adorn the town's walls. These murals are a testament to the city's rich artistic heritage and cultural history. Walking through the streets, you'll encounter colorful depictions of historical events, local legends, and contemporary themes, all brought to life by talented local artists. The murals not only beautify the city, but also serve as a powerful medium for storytelling and preserving the cultural identity of the town. The underground tunnels, originally designed for flood control, now serve as unique roadways that wind beneath the city's historic center. These passages, carved through the mountainous terrain by miners and engineers, now provide as transportation routes, but also stand as an architectural legacy of the city's mining history and innovative urban planning. Here are the subterranean tunnels, and right across from me, you can actually see where the bus stops. So you can actually come downstairs and catch a bus underneath the city. Most of the traffic moves through these underground tunnels, making it one of the world's most pedestrian-friendly cities. Only 2 streets in the historic center allow cars. Everywhere else, you'll be walking through charming, narrow alleys and staircases. Getting around the town is convenient and affordable. The city has a well-developed public transportation system, including buses, taxis, and Uber. A one-way bus ticket costs around 60 cents, and a monthly pass is about $30. Taxi rides in Centro are usually less than $3, and most attractions in the historic center are walkable. This is Casa Luz, where I'm staying. And that is my room. Here's the church across from where I'm staying, and right now you can see there's a wedding going on with the mariachis playing. Here's the street that goes down to the central downtown area, about an 8, maybe 10-minute walk. We can look the other direction here. You can see another valley that comes up from Centro. And across the other side. The city is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, meaning you'll be living in a historical masterpiece. Imagine starting your day with a $2 cappuccino at a local cafe, taking a midday stroll through the centuries-old streets, and enjoying a 3-course dinner for 2 people for just $25. The historic center is where magic happens. Narrow, winding alleyways connect colorful houses, each with a story to tell. The architecture is a breathtaking mix of colonial Spanish design and Mexican creativity. You'll find yourself getting lost, intentionally, in the most beautiful way possible. Right now I'm walking around just above the downtown area. On each side there's these hills. So the downtown area is in the valley, and on each side you've got these beautiful cobblestone walkways and roads. And you can see it's just amazing, the architecture with all the wooden doors, beautiful windows, cobblestone walkways, and nicely painted. It's really enjoyable to walk around as long as you don't mind the steep roads. This is a beautiful area by a park. There's areas like this all through town. I like this one with all the shade it provides. These beautiful old trees are cut to where the leaves are just overhead, so there's a lot of shade provided. And around the park you'll see a lot of vendors, shoe shiners, people selling items that they've made. At night there's musicians that play along through here, so you can sit at one of the restaurants and enjoy the music. Guanajuato's historic squares, or plazas, are like a living canvas that transports you to a European streetscape, with colonial-era architecture, ornate fountains, and cobblestone pathways. Locals and tourists alike gather to enjoy vibrant street performances, with mariachi bands playing traditional music, artists sketching the surrounding Baroque buildings, and children chasing each other around century-old statues. The Plaza de la Paz, with its stone buildings and elegant gazebo, exemplifies this magical atmosphere, where cafe tables spill out onto the square. People leisurely sip coffee or Mexican hot chocolate, and the gentle sounds of conversation and distant church bells create a classical ambience. The city thrives as a cultural hotspot. The University of Guanajuato brings a young, vibrant energy. While multiple theaters, museums, and art galleries offer constant entertainment, many cultural events are free or cost just a few dollars. Various art festivals and events are held throughout the year, showcasing local and international talent. Whether you're interested in visual arts, theater, dance, or music, you'll find plenty of opportunities to immerse yourself in the creative scene. I like the art in this little bar. Let's go take a look at it. Some really nice poster art. And here's the beer prices. We've got Indio and Tecate for 35, beers for 40, 45, so very affordable and a nice vibe. Look at this back area. Very cool. The town's nightlife is vibrant and welcoming, from traditional mariachi performances in plaza cafes to underground music venues, wine bars, and cozy cafes. There's something for everyone. Often, music is free. Cover charges are usually between $5 and $10, and drinks are typically $3 to $5. Sitting at 6,500 feet, Guanajuato offers near-perfect weather. Daytime temperatures hover between 70 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, with blue skies most of the year. While it can get chilly at night during a couple of the winter months, most homes don't even need heating or air conditioning. Outdoor cafes buzz with life 12 months of the year. Guanajuato is consistently ranked as one of the safest cities in Mexico, with a low crime rate and a strong sense of community. You'll feel more secure here than in many U.S. suburban areas. The local police are friendly, and the community-oriented culture means neighbors look out for each other. Right now I'm going to look at a property for sale, and it's right off this little square, which is just about a half a block behind the theater. So it's a really great location, and let's go take a look at it. I'm approaching the house that's for sale, and then there's a park right down here. Right here is a beautiful little park. So here's the house I'm getting ready to look at. It is about 1 block down to the little square that we just saw, and about a half a block further to the main principal road. So it's a very good location, and we'll take a look here. This is the kitchen where you enter, and a nice little 2-seat table. And there is a half bathroom down here under the stairs. I like the stonework on the steps. Here's a bedroom on the second floor. Very nice. And I love the ceiling, the brick ceiling with this concrete work. It's beautiful. Plenty of storage wardrobe here. A sliding door for the bathroom. And this view on the second floor. In the bathroom here has a shower, nice tile work, toilet and sink. And there's sliding doors, glass doors here. And this is the third floor. The third floor is set up as an office. This could easily be a bedroom also. There's storage here. And another city view. Here we are on the next floor. The second bedroom. This one's a little smaller, but still easily can hold a queen-size bed. It's got a double bed in it now, and the views here are clear of any power lines. And we can see the outside steps to the roof here. There's a little laundry area and another full bathroom with the shower. And here's the roof area. Got a barbecue set up here. This would be a great place to barbecue. And this is the view. Guanajuato offers high-quality medical care at a fraction of U.S. prices. A doctor visit costs around $30 to $50 US, and many doctors speak English. Private health insurance can be purchased for around $100 to $250 monthly, significantly less than in North America. Some of the great reasons to live here are 330 days of sunshine annually, major airport with international connections. Pricing is for locals, not tourists. It's a university town with rich cultural events. It has a vibrant nightlife, and it has incredible hiking opportunities. If you're passionate about any of these, Guanajuato is your dream destination. Art and culture, with its world-renowned university and countless galleries. History is a UNESCO World Heritage site with colonial architecture. Shopping, unique local markets and artisan shops. Food, authentic Mexican cuisine and local culinary experiences. Panoramic views, breathtaking vistas from every hilltop. Colorful architecture, a living canvas of vibrant buildings. Here is the rental, and it doesn't look like much from the outside, but it's very nice. And right down here is the main street center of town. So this location is about as central as you can get. A nice big kitchen. I love this wood. Downstairs toilet on the second floor. The second bathroom is nice with the shower. 2 bedrooms. This is in the heart of downtown, right here, the main downtown area. This video is part of a series showcasing the colonial highlands region of Mexico. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you'll be notified when new videos are posted. If you have more information to share, including recommendations for restaurants, places to stay, or local attractions, please leave a comment. Your support helps us continue to make these free videos to help digital nomads and expats find a place to call home.